Hi, welcome to my video on how to use and care for your kit. It's very simple to use. You take your shield and your liner. You're going to fold your liner into thirds. Then you're going to put the thinner edges into the pockets of your shield. If one liner isn't enough, you can always add another one. You can add up to 3 or 4 before it starts to feel bulky. Once your liners are into the pockets, you put your shield around your underwear and snap it or Velcro it or button it in place. Now when you've used your liners and they're dirty, you're going to take them out, rinse them out. You want to rinse out the blood before putting them in a washer or dryer. And then, once they're rinsed, you can put them in the washer or dryer. If you're at work or at school and you can't get to a washer or dryer right away, you put the used liners into your transport bag. And there they'll be safe until you can get to a washer or dryer. Now to put your transport bag through the washer and dryer, you simply turn it inside out. And then it's ready to be washed and cleaned. If you don't have access to a washer or dryer, what you can do is put your used liners in the transport bag or shields. You can put your shields in there too. Pour water into it and soap, shake it, and dump the water out. And you repeat that until the water comes out clean. Then you hang your liners and your shields out to dry. You turn your transport bag inside out and hang it out to dry. Now please don't share your period kit or incontinence kit with anybody. It's not very sanitary. If you feel that you need more than 3 shields or more than 10 liners or more than 1 transport bag, you can watch these videos again and make as many as you need. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your kit. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comments. Thank you very much.